beautiful. You're perfect just like you are.
Hi guys, welcome to the I'm Just Georgia K channel. My name's Jerome and I'll be your narrator for today. I'll be talking you through this style that Georgia will be doing for us, and I'll try to do the best I can. Okay, here we have Georgia displaying all the products and tools that she'll be using to create this style. Alright, the brush, the comb, her bottle. Alright, now she has begun applying water to her hair. She's working it in to the roots, making the hair more manageable and easier to style once it's properly moisturized. Alright, now she's began to do the first part for what seems to be a twist. Okay. Alright, she applied the olive oil. I know she's getting all the knots out of the white tooth comb. Okay, time for some mousse. I hope that's what that is. Alright, she's working it in. A little bit messy. Alright, we have our first rod here. Alright, she's about to start twisting. Feel it to launch. She's trying to give her some time. Here we go. Perfect. Yeah, now we're on a roll. Twist and locked in. Beautiful. All right, we have the first one done. Yeah, looks to be pretty good. Oh, jumped ahead with a time lapse. She seems to have most of the back and the sides done. She's not working on the top, having a blast as usual, hitting us with a smile. Oh, this would probably be a great point in the video for me to mention. We'd like to thank all the subscribers who are returning, and hello to our first-time viewers. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell. Select all so that you're notified every time one of these amazing videos gets posted. All right. Wow. Her hair is definitely saturated with the product. The finish should be exceptional. All right. Working our way through the white comb. I'll log that up. Yep. Get the rods in. Twisted and locked. Seems to be progressing well. Oh. Seems to be getting the hang of it right now. Oh, working our way through the knots. Alright. Oh, you got a new technique for the twisting. Nice. Seems to be picking up the pace. Wow. If I didn't know any better, I would say she's a professional. She might get him for that one. All right. The right side seems to be almost completed. Beautiful. lot it up apart. Okay. And by the looks of it, this part seems to be a little bit uneven. But for a twist out, I guess that won't be a big issue, because the focus, I believe, will be on the curls, which seems to be here in abundance. Right? Nicely done. Now, the focus. Wow. I definitely have a greater appreciation for these styles. So much work that goes into it. But the end result is definitely worth the effort. Well, we're almost here at the end. And Georgia has done a phenomenal job. All right. Is this the last one? Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, just turn that 1 into 2. All right. Twist and lock. Yep, I mean, yeah, you guys get the picture. I don't need to narrate every single twist that she does. Now for the finale. All right. We made it. Okay. Oh, wow. Now we're here for the end result. Okay, this is actual twist out. Wow. Okay. Wow. The curls are so pronounced. It's almost like little springs on her head. Look at that bounce back. Exceptional. All right. Seems to be very proud of herself. I would be too. All that effort and you get the desired result. Don't you just love it when a plan comes together? That one seems to be giving her some trouble. Might be wound in too tight. Oh, yeah, seems it is. All right. And now for the troublemaker. Let's get it. Yeah. Take it easy. You almost got it. Don't rip the roots out. Oh. Almost. Wow. It's like the tallest one. All right. Look at that. Like Curl City. Exceptional. Oh, now she is using her fingers to separate the curls. I guess give it more body. Wow. Simple tools, but the effects that they create. Just another great style that you could do at home without it costing you an arm and a leg or a trip to the salon. Wow. Body seems to be have doubled. All right. Very thick. Lots of sheen. A tremendous amount of curls. All right. The look is just about completed. All right. Guess she's shaking it all out. Giving it that I woke up like this look. Exceptional. Oh, signature smile. There you go. All right. I'm sure your audience appreciate this. So see you guys again on the next one, and have a great day.